Doorables.
And a better movie.
Greg and I are watching the 2019 version of Cats, and I myself was in a production of Cats. Greg chose not to be a part of it. We've had a discussion about it. He missed out on a great show. But today, we are having a new show, and we are going to be opening the Disney Doorables Gold Peaks. Susan found me 2 more.
So let's see who you get.
Yes. So I'm just going to quickly unwrap these.
Here's the code of this one, just because I know some of you
That's
were...
A1019, that's A018. So we're going to start with the 19. I'm not going to look.
Oh, it's a piece of paper.
I'm going to pull out said piece of paper.
Oh!
Who is it? Oh, it's Boo and Sully!
And I believe they are
They're
the ultra rare.
Yes, so we have...
There are 2 ultra rares,
the
actually.
only other ultra rare is
Jack
Jack
and
and
Sally.
Sally.
They are cute.
Very cute. Let's show everybody again.
Look at how adorable they are. Look at Boo's hair. And look
Yes.
at, these are nice and clean, too. Oh, and they got Sally's teeth.
And I absolutely love, too, how these Velcro open and shut.
Yes. And just to point out, these are Gold Peaks. They were exclusive to San Diego Comic-Con as a sneak peek. But now I believe you will be able to find them here soon.
Yes. So we're going to put the paper back in. And we are going to move on to, this is A018.
Who do you think she got? Comment down below.
Yes. Caddy Ho, I caught that. Aren't you
You
proud of
did. I was a little shocked.
I am too, because I've had 2 glasses of wine and have been yelling about cats for a good 20 minutes.
Not enough.
Not
Never enough. Let's see.
It's a paper!
Oh, wow. Dumb luck.
Wait, who is it?
It's the other one. Okay. Didn't know that.
Now we know. So for reference, everybody, A018 is Jack and Sally, and A019 is Boo and,
Boo and Sully.
Yes.
So you have both of the ultra rares.
I have both of
Congratulations.
the ultra rares, and I have Lilo and Stitch, so I'm doing pretty well if I do say so myself.
Yes, we'll wait till these come out and are no longer exclusive, because I think the only one, well, probably Mama would want the Boo.
The Winnie the Pooh and Tigger?
Yes, but also the Woody and the Bo Peep.
Yeah.
It's okay. Whatever makes her happy.
Wine makes her happy.
Mine makes me happy, and people performing cats well.
Oh, you can still do that.
All right. Well, thank you for coming. Do you have anything to say to your fans and admirers?
If you are a fan of cats, do not watch the 2019 version, because the entire time Mistopheles is attempting to do magic, and he's not supposed to do that. It's depressing.
Rachel, we're only 23 minutes in.
And I've yelled how many times? Probably at least a dozen?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Tally ho, everyone. Have a lovely day, Earthlings.